Perfume for Less, Baccarat Rouge 540. Ito ang bibigyan natin ng first impression sa video ito. Okay, so ang perfume na to nabili natin from Perfume for Less, and the price is 299 pesos for a 50 ml bottle. Meron silang store sa may Shaw Boulevard MRT station, and they also have a Facebook page. If you're interested, I can leave a link down below so you can visit them and check out their items. Okay, so medyo parami-rami rin na rin nabili natin perfume sa kanila kasi nga ang ganda ng performance nung mga perfume na nabili natin recently from Perfume for Less. And what's nice about also this store is they have the option of you being able to choose yung perfume concentration. So, I think kung mas gusto mo ng longer lasting na perfume, you can choose a higher concentration for your order. So, the higher the concentration, so medyo mas mahal nga lang siya ng konti. Konti lang naman. So, that's it. Okay, so in terms of the bottle, same bottle as the others that I have reviewed before. Medyo rectangular siya in shape. Tapos, this time around, ang ganda ang kanyang juice. Parang strawberry drink yung kanyang pagkakulay pink. Okay, and then of course, yeah, there's branding in front na red. And then sa likod, nakikita mo kagad kung ano yung perfume na in-imitate nila. And as well as the perfume concentration. So, the cap is also nice. Black yung cap. As mentioned in my other videos, itong boteng ito, napakatibay. Nalaglag ko siya around 3 to 4 feet. Buhay pa rin, hindi siya nabasag or nagkaroon man lang ng chip. So, yeah. In terms of the Baccarat 540, I haven't been able to smell this, to be honest, in the past. So, let's go ahead and check on Fragrantica kung ano yung kanyang mga accords and notes. Alright, so main accords ng Baccarat Rouge 540 is woody, amber, warm spicy, metallic, fresh spicy, aromatic, white floral, animalic, and fresh. Okay. The top note niya is saffron, jasmine. Tapos ang kanyang middle note naman ay amberwood, ambergris, and hejon. And then base notes is fir resin, cedar, sugar, ambroxan, and oak moss. Okay. So let's go ahead and open the cap and then spray here on our wrist. Kanina nag-spray tayo sa unahan natin ng ibang perfume. So let's test it here naman sa ating arm. And let's see kung ano yung ating first impression sa perfume na to. Okay. It smells so sweet. Okay. And naamoy ba natin yung mga notes na binanggit dito kanina? Saffron and jasmine. Mostly, yeah, naamoy ko yung saffron and jasmine. Ang ganda ng combination. It's so sweet and fresh at the same time. I think it's mostly because of the ambergris and hejon. Yun yung lumalabas. And sugar, yung base note. And meron siyang konting ambroxan. So, naamoy ko rin yung mga notes na yan. So, when is it suggested to use this perfume? It says here, during daytime, pwede rin gamitin sa nighttime, and mostly cool conditions. Not really suggested that much for warm weather kasi nga sweet perfume siya, and you know, pagka medyo warm, medyo hindi mas bagay ang mga citrusy or mga fresh scents. So, yun lang naman. So, that concludes our video for tonight. We'll go ahead and do some testing. We'll wear this in the office for a few days, and then I'll let you know of the performance in terms of sillage, projection, and longevity. So that's it for our video tonight. If you have any questions, suggestions, or anything that you'd like for me to review in the future, please leave a comment down below. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!